Hello everyone and welcome back to our channel. In today's video, I'll be showing you how to integrate Prestashop in WordPress in 2024. So this integration allows you or will allow you to combine the powerful e-commerce capabilities of Prestashop with the flexibility and extensive features of WordPress. So make sure to follow this step-by-step guide and let's dive into the steps of integrating Prestashop with WordPress. So make sure to stick by and let's get started. Before we start with this video, make sure to watch us from now till the end so you have full experience. First, you'll need to go and open a browser. Here, I'm going to use Brave, for you can use whatever you want. So make sure that you have Presta shop. If you don't have it, you can simply go and download it and on their website, of course. You can simply just go type prestashop.com, click on get started, and you'll be able to download it, as you can see, for free. But you will need a hosting provider, which is going to be Hostinger or their hosting option or another one as an example that you like. Or you can simply host it on your local host or your computer. Simply you can type here on new tab install as example. So Presta shop on Prestashop on local host and hit the enter button. Simply click on the first link and this will show you the steps on how to install it on your local hosts as an example here. So they'll show you the steps, as you can see, outlined of those steps. Then here the details of every step. So you'll need to install like the server application, which is going to be map here. It's free, and a lot of other steps that you follow. Once you follow all those steps in here, as you can see. So if you go to the bottom of the page, as you can see, once you finishing those steps, so you can connect, for example, you'll have access to the front and back office of your PrestaShop. For me to access the PrestaShop, of course, I'll just access a demo to show you exactly how it's going to be. So this is going to be the front once it's loaded, and I'll open my local host for WordPress. So my WordPress, I have it on my local host. My PrestaShop, I have it in my local host. So yeah. So as you can see, the front office will be something like that, and I can go and explore the back office and access it to manage my store. So let me just go and reload those. I don't know why it's not working. So here I just opened my local host. I'm using Bitnami for that, of course, and it's loading at the moment. So here, of course, while you install your PrestaShop on your local host, of course, make sure that you have the same servers that you install on it, PrestaShop and localhost. I don't know even if you can use both of them, but if I did not try because I don't have PrestaShop, that's why I'm accessing the demo of it, and I have WordPress on my localhost. So as example here, the back office as example, just try to log in into that demo option. And of course, as I said, for you, if it's your first time, you'll need to install your PrestaShop. If you haven't done it yet, you can go to their website, install their version, full installation instructions to install it on a web hosting option or a local hosting on this article as I showed you. Then next, you'll need to install the WordPress on the same server where your PrestaShop, of course, store is hosted. If it's local hosted, it should be in the same NIP servers as Bitnami. If it's in the web, like hosting or whatever it is, it should be the same stuff, place. And of course, you can follow the installation instructions and ensure that your WordPress is functioning, a site is functioning properly before moving on to the integration process. So, an example here, I have access in both my PrestaShop and WordPress now. So all you need to do, first of all, I'll look if there is a plugin that facilitates the integration. I guess there's a one called like PrestaShop integration plugin for WordPress. So I'll just go to my WordPress here, go to the Slides panel, go to plugins, click on add a new plugin, and simply, so let me just wait for the page until it loads. It should not take a lot of time. I'll just go here to search plugin and I'm looking to look for Presta like shop integration plugin. It should be a plugin for this. So PrestaShop, like as you can see, to WooCommerce or PrestaShop integration. Yeah, this is the one that I am looking for. And as you can see, this will add integration using shortcodes and widgets from PrestaShop e-commerce to your blog if you want to do that. And this what will do a plugin to immigrate PrestaShop e-commerce solution to WooCommerce or to WordPress. So if you want to migrate Prestashop e-commerce solution to WooCommerce, you can use that. If you need just to use some source codes and widgets from Prestashop, you can use that. So depending on whatever you want, as an example. So as an example, this one, if we go and install, as an example, let's say we want to immigrate, here you'll find the description of it and the installation process, frequently asked questions, change log and screenshots of the settings of it, and even reviews of other people. So here I'll just go and click on try it or install try it now. You can click on install. Of course, you can click on try it first as an example to try things out first before installing it and see whatever working best for you as an example. So, okay, this is not working for some reason. Maybe it's not going to work because I'm hosting it on a local host. Yeah, never mind. It seems like it's working. So this one did not work, I guess. So you can see here's the immigration. This is for the immigration. So you can click on manage as an example, and you'll be able to immigrate your Prestashop shop or store from there to WooCommerce or to your specifically the WooCommerce, which is going to be WordPress. So as you can see here, you have like something. So as you can see, you can create a backup first of all. Now, if you don't, make sure to create it automatically. And as you can see, what will be backed up and etc. A lot of other things that you'll have to do. You can even upgrade to premium if you need like more external storage. A lot of other options that you'll get if you upgrade. You can do that. So as you can see, this cell like logging in. I'll just go here. Yeah. So as you can see here, this will show you exactly how or this what does this plugin do as an example. So you can set up SUP. As you can see, no even sign up required, so you'll need just to agree to the terms. And as you can see, you already created 2 sites. So as you can see, for me, I'll not be able to do it because it's not free. So basically, just go to the plugin, make sure to install it. If it's installed, just go and activate it. Once it's activated, of course, you'll be able to immigrate the Prestashop to WooCommerce without any problems, just through the settings. This is if you want simply to integrate Prestashop and WordPress right away and you want to integrate it. If you want, as an example, to use this some, as an example, something from Prestashop to WordPress, you can simply install this instead, which will make an integration between it. And you can go to pages and you find like the shortcodes and the widgets from like Prestashop e-commerce to in here on WordPress, and you can use it without any problems once you click on activate as example. So example, I'll just go here and look for like Prestashop. So as an example, it's going to be this one, as you can see. So it's already added. No need to edit anything. Just go to pages and you'll be able to add everything that you have on your Prestashop, like the widget, the shorts code, and etc. So you can click on add a new page and start using those widgets, those shorts codes without any problems. So that's going to be it for me today. Thank you for watching, and I'll catch you in the next video.